सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः।
नमस्कार सर।
स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं। महोदय, अद्य अन्तिम कथा पंचतंत्रे मित्र संप्राप्तौ तत्र अन्तिमा कथा पठ्यते अस्माभिः। वृषभ कथायाः तत्र सूक्ष्मरूपेण कथा सूचिता एव गतकक्षायामेव। The story has been introduced earlier in a brief manner by the shloka. Today we are going to finish the second tantra, Mitra Samprapti, which has only 6 stories as far as this book and many of the books also. Okay, Srinivas, you can take on.
कक्षा संख्या वर्तते
अद्य कक्षा पंचोत्तर
शततमी कक्षा
पंचाधिक शततमी 105th class today of Panchatantra. Yes.
Yeah.
Caption, let the caption be seen. Vrishabha, Vrishana.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have already started this.
Okay.
And
oh, yes.
Third para, sir.
No. Second para. Atha.
Atha is also over, sir.
No, Srinivas. I have put mark there only.
Oh, I see.
You have to start. Atha tatraiva vane. Oh, this also studied.
Yes, sir.
Nadi thirishko. Trantare savikshamana. Tasya tasya lambamano usha. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe third.
We have to start from here, sir. Shrugala aha.
Right. You are right.
Shrugala aha. He priye न ज्ञायते कदाचित् एतयोः पतनं भविष्यति वा न वा तत्किं वृथाश्रमाय मां नियोजयसि अत्रस्थः तावत् जलार्थमागतान् मूषकान् भक्षयिष्यामि समं त्वया मार्गोऽयं यतः तेषाम्.
Okay, you can pause there. So the conversation between the Shrugala and Shrugali, the jackal, male and female, the both husband and wife, wife happened to chance look at the bull with its testicles hanging loose, and then the female jackal thought it is those are the two big, hanging flesh hanging, mamsa pindo. It thought that they were pinda means balls of meat, lambaman also. So asked for it, and Shrugala said, Priye, my dear, my darling, Nagnayate kadachit etayoho patanam bhavishyati. He said, the male Shrugala says, it is not known, Nagnayate, we don't know, kadachit when etayoho, Vrishavayoho, patanam bhavishyati, when will these testicles fall? Patanam bhavishyati va na va. Whether the testicles will fall or not, it is not known, surely. Tat, so, kim vruthashramaya mam niyojayasi? Why are you employing me in this wasteful matter, wasteful effort? Vruthashramaya, why are you wanting me to do this useless effort? Niyojayasi means you are employing me, you are asking me to do. Atrastha tavat jalartham agatan mushakan bhakshayishyami. We have come here to hunt for something like atrastaha, standing here on the bank of this river. Atrastaha tavan, firstly tavat jalartham agatan. So firstly we have come here basically to eat the mushaka, the mouses which come to drink water. Atrastaha, standing here, tavat jalartham, for the sake of water, agatan mushakan bhakshayishyami. I will stay here and then eat the rats which come for the water. Samam tvaya, along with you, so that our purpose will be solved. You eat the mouse, I eat, then etc. Margo ayam yatastisham. Yataha, because this is the marga. This is the way for the mouses. Margaha ayam yataha tesham mushakanam. Aparam, and one more
Aparam
thing.
yadi, can I read from here, sir?
Yeah, aparam yadi.
Aparam yadi tvam muktva asya तीक्ष्ण विषणस्य वृषभस्य पृष्ठे गमिष्यामि तदा आगत्य अन्यः कश्चिदेतत् स्थानं समाश्रयिष्यति तन्नैतद् युज्यते कर्तुम्.
So the husband Musha, the Shugala, jackal, is worried about the safety of his wife, the female Shugala. He says, Aparam, one more thing, Yadi Tvam Muktva, leaving you. Supposing I leave you, Asya Tikshna Vishanasya Vrishabhasya Puste Gamishyami. If I go, leaving you behind this bull, which has got this sharp horned Tikshna Vishana. Tikshna Vishanasya, Vrishabhasya, name is that. That's the bull named as Tikshna Vishana, Puste Gamishyami. If I go after this bull named Tikshna Vishana, Puste Gamishyami. No, you have to change the page.
Yeah.
Tada Muktva asya, a little up. Muktva asya Tikshna Vishanasya Vrishabhasya Puste Gamishyami. Tada Agatya Anyah Kaschid Etasthanam Samashrayishyati. So the worry of the Shugala is that if I go leaving you after this bull, then somebody else will come and occupy our place. Tada Agatya Tada Agatya Tada Agatya. There's a Savarna Sandhi, two avagrahas are here. Tada, then Agatya means we're having no other alternative. Anyaha kaschit mushakaha etat sthanam samashrayishyati. Having no other this thing, I'm sorry, jackal, having no other alternative. Anya tada agatya na gatya. Anyaya na gatya. Anyagati yada na vidyate. Ataha anyah kaschana Shugalaha etasthanam samashrayasi. Some other jackal will come and occupy our place. Tat naitad yujyate. That is not proper to do. Kartum. Yeah.
Uktam cha yo dhruvani parityajya adhruvani nishevate ध्रुवाणि तस्य नश्यन्ति अध्रुवं नष्टमेव च.
This is beautiful poem. Yaha dhruvani parityajya adhruvani nishevati. Whichever man, yaha kopi manavaha pashurva dhruvani parityajya, leaving parityajya dhruvani. Dhruvani means certain things, which are things which are certain and confirmed. Dhruvam, confirmed things. Yaha dhruvani vastuni parityajya adhruvani, which are not confirmed, which are not certain. Nishevati, goes after them, serves them. One who goes after the uncertain things or unconfirmed things, leaving the certain and confirmed things. Dhruvani tasya nashyanti. Then what happens to such a man? The confirmed or certain things will be lost. See, a beautiful thing. When you are sure of doing something, you do it. And it is better. What will happen if you leave a thing which is sure for you to be completed, and then go to leaving the sure certain thing and take up an uncertain thing, unknown business? Then this is gone as well. Dhruvani tasya nashyanti. Tasya purushasya dhruvani karyani nashyanti. So let us supply the word karyam here. Yaha dhruvani karyani parityajya adhruvani karyani nishevati. Whoever takes up unconfirmed, uncertain things, uncertain actions, leaving the certain actions, what happens in the first place? Tasya dhruvani karyani nashyanti. The certain actions will be lost. Adhruvam nashtameva. Adhruva, uncertain thing is already lost only. A beautiful way of putting it. So unsettled thing is already lost. So be with your, it is something like Swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavaha. Better you be in your own dharma than go to another. You will be neither Dobika Gada na Garka na Gatka, you will be there. Yeah.
Shugalya aha bhogo ka purushah tvam yatkinchit praptam tena eva santosham karoshi uktam cha.
And the wife Shrugali, Shrugali aha. Shrugali said, the wife said, Jackal, female Jackal, Bhoho ka purushastvam. Ka purusha, kim purusha, ku purushastvam. Ka means ku purusha. You are a bad guy. You are a useless guy. You are a coward. You are a useless guy. Ka purushahatvam yat, because yat kinchit praptam tenaiva santosham karoshi. Yat kinchit praptam, whatever is obtained, tenaiva, with that only santosham karoshi, you make yourself happy. You want to be happy with little mouses. I am asking for meatballs. Big meatballs there. Yat kinchit praptam tenaiva santosham karoshi. So there are two aspects here. This Shrugala is very, very, what do you call, truist. He knows that whatever is little is yena tena taktena bunjita type he is. He is following the Shastra. So whatever comes in our way, whichever rats come in our way on our marga, will eat up. Then the wife is not happy. Now this is here the writer is very careful in bringing out the mentality of women also. Not all women, some women who prompt men to do some unwanted things also. That is there. Yat kinchit praptam teneva santosham karoshi ka purushahatvam. Then uktam cha, and she also elaborates, yes.
Supura syat kunadika supuro mushikanjalihi susantushtah ka purushah swakalpakanapi tushyati.
So she says, Supura syat kunadika. Kunadika means a bad river, a small hilly river. Kunadika Supura is gets filled. Supura easy to be filled. Supuro Mushikanjalihi. And then with little water, the Anjali means with little water, what do you call, the palm of, what is the palm size of the Mushika? Mushika, very little. You can imagine, it is not even dog. It is not even like horse or elephant. Mushikanjali, the Anjali, the palm of a Mushika, Supuraha, is easy to be filled with water. Supura Syat Kunadika, a bad nadi, a small nadi, Nadika, is there a small nadi only? Ka is this. So a very small river can be easily filled. The palm of a mouse, rat can be easily filled. Santushtaha ka purushaha. So ka purushaha, here what do you call, a mean person or a cowardly person like you blaming the husband, ka purushaha santushtaha. He is very, very happy. A cowardly, a mean fellow is very happy. Swakalpakena api tushyati. Because he becomes satisfied with I think there is a mistake here. Swakalpena. Swalpakena api it should be. Swakalpena. I don't know. I didn't check. Swakalpakena api, he becomes happy with very little things. Very little things. Yes, we know.
Tasmat purushena sada eva utsahavata bhavyam uktam cha yatrodsaha samarambho yatralasya vihinata naya vikrama samyogaha tatra shirachala dhruvam.
You can read the other one.
Which one, sir? Next poem.
Next also, yeah, I can read. Because I'm checking. Oh, whatever. No.
1 second. Sir.
Over on this page. I'm sorry.
Huh.
Oh, keep it. No, I was checking the reading. I did not check earlier. Swakalpa, Swalpakena. That is a mistake there. In the 145 slokas, you put your cursor there. Swalpakena. Yeah, there.
Is this a Svalpakena?
Yeah, Swalpakena. So I was checking with the other edition.
Oh, it is not Kalpakena. Svalpakena. This Ka is extra.
That is why I was checking in the other edition. Swalpakena api tushyati. Ka purushaha, a ka purusha, low person, is happy with little, with meager things. Swalpakena. Tasmat, therefore, tasmat purushena sadaiva utsahavata bhavyam. See, the wife is prodding or encouraging the husband to do big job, leaving the confirmed things here. Dhruvani parityajya. Tasmat purushena, by any man, sada eva, always, saha utsahavata bhavyam. Man should, this part is very good. Tasmat purushena sada utsahavata bhavyam. Therefore, man should always be with spirit, with enthusiasm. Uktam cha, you have read it. Yatra utsaha samarambo, yatra alasya vihinata, naya vikrama sanyogaha, tatra shrihi achala dhruvam. Where will be shrihi, lakshmihi, dhruvam, positively, achala, firm? Where will one find the fortune stable? Where can a man find Shri, fortune, Achala, and Dhruvam at the same time confirmed? That means, how can one make money in a confirmed manner and also in a stable manner? Only there, yatra utsaha samarambaha, where an energetic commencement of act takes place. Wherever a man takes up a work with all utsaha, that is linked with the previous sentence of dialogue, sadaiva utsahavata bhavyam. Man should always be with utsaha. Now, utsaha is a great thing actually. There are beautiful slokas in Ramayana also. Often I quote from Sundarakanda, where Hanuman also says, through the Hanuman's character we come on. Utsaho balavanarya nasti utsahat parambalam. Utsaha is strength itself. Utsaha is the spirit to do the job. Entrepreneurship, earlier also said. So he said, yatra utsaha samarambaha, where any energetic beginning of an act is done. Yatra alasya vihinata, and where there is total absence, vihinata, there is total lapse of laziness. Now, naturally, where laziness is there, where utsaha is there, there cannot be laziness. It is something like saying, where there is light, there cannot be darkness. So where utsaha is there, you cannot have alasya. Okay. Naya vikrama sanyoga tatra. So when that is to say, when a man is in the basic sense is not without any laziness, and then is very spirited with utsaha, very enthusiastic, there naya vikrama sanyoga, there you will find a combination samyoga of naya, policy, right policy, wise policy, and vikrama, valor. Naya vikrama samyoga, there in such a place, in such a person, you will find beautiful, good policy along with bravery, vikrama, sanyoga tatra, and there you will find shrihi achala dhruvam. There you find fortune stable and confirmed still. So the total, what is the total idea of this poem? In order to be rich and prosperous, one must be enthusiastic. Enthusiasm leads to prosperity. One sentence I got it. Enthusiasm leads to confirmed stable property, stable for fortune. Srinivas. Yeah, next.
I think we have lost 2 more pages also while
Oh my God.
doing this.
Then
Just,
read.
I'll read it, sir. 1 second. I'll
Slowly
start.
you read.
न दैवमिति सञ्चिन्त्य त्यजेन्नोद्योगमात्मनः अनुद्योगेन नो तैलं तिलोभ्योऽपि हि जायते.
So this is another poem talking about the importance of utsaha. Utsaha, Anirvedo is Satam, I have quoted already. Utsahavan can do anything. Na daivamiti sanchintya tyajet udyogam atmanaha. Tyajennodyogam atmanaha. So the first line says, Daivamiti sanchintya. Daivam sarvamiti. I am adding one more word here. Daivam sarvamiti sanchintya. Thinking, sanchintya vicharya. Thinking, having thought over that everything is fate. There are some people, no doubt, why such poems are written, because India has had such people and has still. So there are people who think that Daivam is everything. Everything is fate. Daivamiti sanchintya, thinking that it is all the play of the destiny. Sanchintya, natyajet udyogam atmanaha. One should not give up. Natyajet atmanaha udyogam natyajet. One should not give up one's effort. Man should put in his effort and never give way to Daiva. Just to not believe Daiva and not take up anything. So don't think that it is Daiva Karya, it is the work of the destiny, and thinking like that, never stop doing things. We should not udyogam na santajet, na tyajet. One should not give up his. So it's clear, na? One should not give up his effort, alleging or taking the guise of the destiny. Anudyogena no tailam, because the example is very clear. Anudyogena, without udyoga, without effort. Ashramena no tailam. No tailam means no tailam only in English. Na tailam. Tilebhyo apihi jayate. This no is that no, English no, Srinivas. Yeah. Like Agnis trupyati no kasthaihi. Agnihi kasthaihi no trupyati. Not said, no, no, both are negatives. Anudyogena no tailam. By no industry, no hard work, by anudyogena, by not putting in effort, no tailam tilebhyo api hi jayate. No oil can be extracted from the, say, what do you call, oil can be extracted from the seeds, till seeds, sesame seeds. So no oil can be extracted without putting in effort from the seeds, sesame seeds. Similarly, thinking everything is Daiva, one should not forget his effort. Next.
Anyaccha yastokenapi santosham kurute mandadhirjanah tasya bhagyavihinasya datta shrirapi marjyate.
And in this poem, the Sugali is arguing with her husband. Yaha stokenapi. Stokam means Sanskrit alpam. Yaha stokenapi, alpenapi, even with whoever alpenapi stokenapi santosham kurute. Whoever feels happy with a little thing, like in the case here, in the story, the husband of this speaking jackal, Santosham Kurute, that fellow is called Yaha Mandadhihi. Mandadhihi, less intelligent Janaha. Yaha Mandadhihi Janaha Alpenapi Stokenapi Santosham Kurute. Whichever foolish person makes himself happy with little, whatever little he gets, Tasya, to that person, Bhagya Vihinasya, such a fellow, such a person is called Bhagyavihina, unfortunate fellow. Bhagya Vihinasya Tasya Shrihi Datta Shrihi Api Marjati. Even when fortune is given, A man who is like that, thinking, who becomes happy with whatever little he gets, to such fellow, even if Sri fortune comes to him, Datta be given to him also. Datta Sri Rapi Marjati. Literally, will be washed off. Marjati means. That means a fellow who is content with a little, whatever little he gets. Supposing he is given some money, Sri, he gets a lottery of 1 lakh or 1 crore. Let us suppose that. Even that lottery money will be washed away because he is not enjoying the money. He will be only taking a part of it. So, money will not be there with him. That is the idea. Next. Yachatvam.
Yacha tvam vadasi etau patisyato
Na veti.
nava iti tadapi ayuktam uktam cha कृतनिश्चयिनो वन्द्याः तुङ्गिमान प्रशस्यते चातकः को वराकोऽयं यस्येन्द्रो पारिवाहकः.
Then the strong argument of the Sugali is that Yacha, whatever, Tvam Vadasi, that you are saying, my husband, that what you are saying, Yetau Patishyatau Nava iti, whether these two testicles will fall or not. You are saying whether they will fall or not. He said it. There is a doubt whether those testicles, they don't know testicles, they think it is flesh of, balls of flesh will fall or not. Whatever you say, Tadapi Ayuktam, that is also improper. Why Yuktam? Because Krutanischayino Vandyaha Tungimana Prashasyati. Vandyaha Krutanischayinaha. Vandyaha Krutanischayinaha. So you take this way. Krutanischayinaha, those people who are determined. Krutanischaya means who are well determined. They are Vandyaha. They are very respectable. Or Vandyaha, they become people who have decided upon to do something. They are praiseworthy. Krutanischayinaha, sorry. Krutanischayinaha Krutam Krutaha Nichayaha Yaihi Te Krutanischayinaha. Esha Krutaha Nichayaha Krutanichayaha Esham Te Krutanichayina. Those people by whom a decision has been undertaken. Such people are Vandyaha. Vandaniyaha are praiseworthy. Tungimana Prashasyati. Tungima means this word is Stula. Tungima. Tunga means high. Tunga means high. Tungima means smallness. I mean largeness. Sorry. Largeness. Stula. Samunnata. Stula. Tungima na prashasyati. Greatness, largeness is not praised here. What is required is a firm decision. People who have taken firm decision are always praised in society. It is not the size that matters, what he says. It is not because the Sugali is very conscious of its size before the bull. Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Why the Sugali is saying that? Sugali is very conscious of its physical stature before the big bull. So he says, Tungimana Prashasyati. So bigness is not praised. Chatakaha is giving an example for that. Chataka bird. Nobody has seen that Chataka bird. It is only there in description. But I was told by one gentleman who was very expert in geographical things.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, long back, these Chataka birds were there in India only. So because so much reference is there in literature, and due to some changes in the environment, they migrated to Latin America. So they say, Chataka ko varako ayam. So he says, varaka means poor little fellow. Kaha varakaha ayam Chataka. Who is this little fellow? Chataka. Chataka must have been, we don't know, like a dove. Pigeon, like a pigeon dove, it must have been the size of this. Yasya Indro Varavahaka. Look at the size of the Chataka, a poor little Chataka. by whose effort, who, even Yasya Indraha Varivahaka. Yasya means to which Chataka, even Indra gives the water. No, you know what is said about the Chataka bird? You may be knowing, na?
Yeah, you only told me earlier.
These Chataka birds are especially alluded to a Unnata Manasvi Purusha. Like a Manasvi Purusha in society never makes any application request to ordinary people, low-lying people. If at all he wants to make a request, he will go to the top. So in that sense, Anyapadesha, we have many poems on Chataka. So the bird, when the Chataka wants to drink water, it goes direct into the clouds. It takes water right from its very source.
Yeah.
And Indra is the god of the rain. So Indra is alluded here. So Indra caters to the need of this little bird. That should be the effort. Size doesn't matter. Yasya Indraha Varivahaka. Vari means Jalavahaka. Jalaharaka. To whom Indra gives directly water. And what is the size of Indra and what is the size of Chataka? Like that. Next, Aparam.
Aparam Mushakamansasya Nirvinna Aham. Etau cha Pindau
No.
Patanaprayo Drishyete. Tat Sarvatha Na Anyatha Kartavyam iti.
So, and the argument is further taken up. Aparam, one more thing. Mushaka Mamsasya Mushaka Mamsasya Nirvinnaham. Mushaka Mamsa Khadanena. What is the she wanting to say, this jackal? Mushaka Mamsasya Khadanena Bhakshanena. By eating all the time the flesh of the rats. The wife said here, I have been eating, you have been providing me the Mushaka Mamsa all these days. I am fed up now. I am disgusted eating this Mushaka Mamsa. Mushaka Mamsasya Khadanena Bhakshanena Nirvinaham. I am very disgusted. All the time you supply me only one type of food. Etaucha Mamsa Pindo. Look at this hanging Mamsa Pindo, balls of meat. Mamsa Pindo. Patana Prayo, they are almost about to fall. Patana Prayo means they are about to fall. Drishyate, they seem to be about to be fallen. Tat, therefore, Sarvatha, by all means, na Anyatha, by no other means, Kartavyam. So you must do only this. Go after the bull. Whenever these Mamsa Pindo fall, you bring them. One Mamsa Pinda for you and one for me. There are two.
Atha asau tadakarnya Mushaka Praptisthanam Parityajya Tikshna Vishanasya Prushtam Anvagachat Athava Sadhu Idam Uchyate.
Atha, then, with this vehement, argument of the wife, Asau means that Shugalaha, Tad Akarnya, having listened to his wife's words, Mushaka Praptisthanam Parityajya. Now the poor jackal is forced to leave the Mushaka Praptisthana, the place where they could get the flesh of the rats, Parityajya, leaving that. Tikshna Vishanasya, that bull whose name here is called Tikshna Vishana, sharp horned. Prushtam means back, Anvagachat. He followed the bull wherever it went. Athava sadhu idam uchyate, or rightly it is said.
Yeah. Tavat syat sarvakrutyeshu Purushotra Swayam Prabhu Strivakyam Kusha Vikshunno Yavanno Hriyate Balat.
So this is the opinion of the writer now. Now Vishnu Sharma ji comes in here and tells when a man is goaded, prompted and abused by his wife to do some undoable thing. So what happens? He is coming out with his message here. Tavat, in the first place, Syat Sarvakrutyeshu Purusho Atra Swayam Prabhu. Generally, in all at Sarva Krutyeshu, Sarva Karyeshu, in all matters, Purushaha Atra means in this world, Purushaha Swayam Prabhu. Generally, man is the, what do you call, the boss, self-boss. Swayam Prabhu, he is the master, his own self. Tavat Syat Sarva Krutyeshu. Man may be in all his doings his own boss. Okay?
Yeah.
Then second line says, Stri Vakyankusha Vikshunnaha. But generally, the first line says, generally, mostly, man may be an independent doer in most of his activities. But when it comes to his wife, Stri Vakya Ankusha Vikshunnaha. Stri Vakya Ankushena Vikshunnaha Ankushena Niyantritaha. Stri Vakya, I will go slowly here because text is not visible. Stri Vakya means the words of the woman. Ankusha, they are like the Ankusha, what do you call the goad? Ankusha means the goad which drives the elephant. So, Stri Vakya Ankusha Vikshunnaha, pounded, urged. Vikshunnaha means Niyantritaha. Like elephant is guided, controlled. Elephant is controlled by the Mahat by means of what? Ankusha. By the, what do you call that? Ankusha means goad, Srinivas. By means of the goad, G-O-A-D, goad. So, just as the Mahat controls the elephant's movement by means of the goad, similarly, a man, though he is independent in doing several things, but when it comes to the wife's words, which are like the goad on himself. So, wife is like the goad and husband is like the elephant. Like the goad controls the elephant, wife's words control the husband. Stri Vakya Ankusha Vikshunnaha Yavat No Hriyate Balat. So, as as long as he is because of his Stri Vakya, he will be directed in different directions. He will be taken to wherever is the words of the wife will go. Yavan no hriyate balat. So by force, he will be taken to different directions. Understand? So
yeah, even great persons like Dasharatha also.
You have taken a classical example like our own Dasharatha in the Ramayana. How he was driven by the words given by the Kaikeyi, etc. So in the same words, wife. So just like the elephant can be made to take a different route by the goad, similarly, a right-thinking man can also be made to take a wrong route by the words of the wife. Next, Akrutyam.
Akrutyam manyate krutyam agamyam manyate sugam abhakshyam manyate bhakshyam strivakya prerito naraha.
And then what happens when such a thing like Strivakya Ankusha comes into operation? When the words of a wife come and goad us, prick the man begins to do things like this. Akrutyam manyate krutyam. Akrutyam krutyam manyate. Then man begins to think an undoable thing as a doable thing. A wrong deed as a right deed. Akrutyam means wrong deed. Manyate, he thinks krutyam, a deed. So, when he is tormented by such words of a woman, a man regards a wrong thing as a right thing. Akrutyam, krutyam manyate, agamyam manyate, sugam. So, a very difficult place to go. Agamyam means nagamyam, agamyam. A very difficult place to go over. He will consider as sugam, very easy to go over. Abhaksham, bhaksham manyate. when such words are there operating on the mental level of the husband, then he thinks bhaksham, abhaksham, bhaksham manyati. He considers wrong food, prohibited food, as food which is recommended, bhaksham, eatable. The wrong food as eatable. Abhaksham, bhaksham manyati. Stri vakya preritah naraha. So wonderfully you said, Stri vakya preritah. Stri vakyaihi preritah niyantritah kshunnah naraha evam karoti. Man does like this. A man, when he is prompted, prerita means prompted or tempted by the words of his female companion, then he will be doing all wrong things as right things. Next.
एव स तस्य पृष्ठतः स भार्यः परिभ्रमन् चिरकालम् अनयत् न च तयोः पतनम् अभूत् ततः च निर्वेदात् 15 वर्षे शृगालः स्वभार्याम् आह.
So there are two lines here which say that now being prompted, tempted and taunted, abused by the wife, Shugala coolly followed. But how long did the Shugala jackal follow is there? Evam sa Shugala, that Shugala, tasya prushtataha, tasya vrishabhasya prushtataha. Tasya here refers to that. What that vrishabhasya prushtataha, at the back of that bull, sabharyaha, bharyaya sahitaha, along, accompanied by his wife. We should not, wife also is ready to go because she is very hopeful of the fall of this. Sabharyaha, with his wife, paribhraman, roaming, wherever the bull went, this Shugala went, and Shugala was accompanied by his wife also, paribhraman, chirakalam anayat. He went in this way, he took his wife along, following the bull for a long time. Nacha tayoho patanam abhut. Writer says, tayoho Purushanayoho patanam na abhut na abhavat. The fall of those two testicles did not happen. The testicles did not fall at all. How long did he follow? Tatascha, thereafter, nirvedat, he got fed up, vexed up. Nirveda. Tataha nirvedat. So, how many, writer did not divulge the period. How long did the jackal follow the bull? Now he says, he got fed up. Nirvedat panchadashe varshe, on the onset of 15th year. Srinivas. Panchadashe varshe Shrugalaha swabhari. He got totally fed up on the 15th year, and then he told, the Shrugala told his wife like this. Bharyam swabharyam aha. Next point.
शिथिलौ च सुवृद्धौ च पततः पततो नवा निरीक्षितौ मया भद्रे 10 वर्षाणि पञ्च च.
So this is the poem which introduces this story there in the beginning, in the end of the last 5th story. Sithilau, loose, cha suvruddhau, well grown, cha patataha patato nava, whether they will fall or not fall. Nirikshitau, were watched. Nirikshitau, dustau, maya bhadre, O my dear wife. Whether they will fall or they will be falling or falling, patataha patata, they are going to fall. In the hope of the fall of these flesh balls or the testicles, they were watched for maya, by me, oh my dear wife. Dasha varshani panchacha. 15 years I I followed this Vrishabha, and they did not fall. Tayoho tat, yeah.
तयोः तत् पश्चादपि पातो न भविष्यति तदेव स्वस्थानं गच्छावः अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि शिथिलौ च सुवृद्धौ च इति.
So here these last two lines of this page 367, tayoho tat paschadapi pato na bhavishyati, and therefore tayoho vrishanayoho, to those what do you call testicles, two testicles, pataha, fall, na bhavishyati, paschad, afterwards also it will, because I went around, I followed this bull for 15 years, and where is the guarantee they are going to fall? They will not fall. Tat tadeva swasthanam gachava. So the husband said, so let us go to our original place. Swasthanam gachava. Let us go back. Now 15 years you made me go around. You also traveled with me. What did you get? Now let us go back. Atoham bravimi. Therefore I say, we come back to the original story. Shitilaucha suvruddaucha iti. So this is what the story, this was the story told by that who? Somilaka to the angel or deity who appeared to him. Yeah, next page. Can you show this now, please?
पुरुषाः यदि एवं तद् गच्छ भूयोऽपि वर्धमान पुरा तत्र द्वौ वणिकपुत्रौ वसतः एको गुप्तधनो द्वितीय उपभुक्तधनः ततः तयोः स्वरूपं बुद्ध्वा एकस्य वरः प्रार्थनीयः यदि ते धनेन प्रयोजनम् अभक्षितेन ततः त्वामपि गुप्तधनं करोमि अथवा दत्तभोग्येन धनेन ते प्रयोजनं तद् उपभुक्तधनं करोमि इति एवम् उक्त्वा अदर्शनं गतः.
So this story was told by the Somilaka to the deity who appeared before him, that there is no fortune, there is no fate, there is no sanction of the fate in you, Somilaka. You earned so hard 2 times and now you are about to commit suicide. You are not supposed to do this kind of job because the praptavyam is not there. So then Somilaka narrated a story like this, and then he said, Purushaha, that divine person said, Yadi evam, if so, tad gacha bhuyopi vardhamana pura. So go back again to that Vardhamanapuram. Tatra, there, dvau vanik putro, it should be Vanika putro, vasatah. There 2 sons of a merchant live. Ekaha Guptadana, one fellow is called Guptadana, that means one who hides his money. Dvitiyaha Upabhuktadana, what a wonderful coining here. Guptadana Upabhuktadana, another one enjoys his money. So one is hiding, another is enjoying. Tataha, there, Tayoho Swarupam Buddhva, go and study their Swarupa nature. Swarupam Prakritim Buddhva Ekasya Varaha Prarthani. Afterwards, you study both of them, Guptadana and Upabhuktadana. Ekasya Varaha Prarthaniya. Then you can choose one boon. Ekaha Varaha Prarthaniya. Yadite Dhanena Prayojanam. If you have use of money, if you need money, Yadite Dhanena Prayojanam Abhakshitena, without eating, without enjoying. If you have the use of money without abhakshitena, without enjoying eating, tataha tvam api gupta dhanam karomi. If you think that you need money without enjoyment, abhakshitena means without enjoyment, you want money but you won't enjoy, then tataha tvam api, you also gupta dhanam karomi. I will make you like Gupta Dhana, the character Gupta Dhana which you are going to study now. Athava, or datta bhogyena dhanena prayojanam. If you think that you enjoy and give, datta bhogyena, you give also, you enjoy. Dhanena te prayojanam. If you think that you have the use with the upabhukta dhana, like or enjoyment and also giving, tad upabhukta dhanam karomi, then I will make you upabhukta dhana. So you decide, go and study there. Eva muktva, saying like this, adarshanam gataha, antarhitaha, he disappeared. That man disappeared. Yeah.
सोमिलिकः अपि विस्मितमना भूयोऽपि वर्धमानपुरं गतः अथ सन्ध्यासमये श्रान्तः कथमपि तत्पुरं प्राप्तः गुप्तधनगृहं पृच्छन्
Kruchat, Kruchat labdva,
कृच्छात् लब्ध्वा
astamite surye.
अस्तमिते सूर्ये प्रविष्टः.
Okay, these three lines now describe us how this fellow Somilaka set out, started for that Vardhamanapura in search of these two sons of merchant Vanikputras. One is Guptadana, another is Upabhuktadana. Somilakaha api Vismitamanaha, with a wonderstruck mind, astonished in the event. Bhuyo api Vardhamanapuram gataha. He got astonished because of the words of this Divya Purusha. So he went again. Bhuyaha api Punarapi Vardhamanapuram gataha. He went over there. Ata then Sandhya Samaye Shantaha. He became tired. All walking, no hijacking, nothing like. So Sandhya Samaye, by evening time, Shrantaha, he became tired. Katamapi, somehow Tatpuram Prapta. Somehow he reached the city. Guptadhana Gruham Pruchan, asking for the home of the Guptadhana. He was inquiring in that city. Guptadhana Gruham Pruchan, Kruchrat means Kastat. Very great difficulty, he was inquiring about the Guptadhana's house. Pruchan.
Which sandhi is this, sir? Hal sandhi?
Hal sandhi only. Pruchan, that is no problem. Kruchat, Latva sandhi it is called. Kruchat means Kastat Labdva. Asking for, listen, Guptadhana Gruham Pruchan, asking for the home of Gruham of the Guptadhana with great difficulty. Kruchat means Kastat Labdva. He got it. With great difficulty he found it. Labdva Astamite Surye, when the sun set totally, Astamite Surye Sati Pravishta, he entered his house.
Atha asau भार्यापुत्र समेतेन गुप्तधनेन निर्भत्स्रियमानः हठात् गृहं प्रविश्योपविष्टः ततः च भोजनवेलायां तस्यापि भक्तिवर्जितं किञ्चिदशनं दत्तं ततः भुक्त्वा तत्रैव यावत् सुप्तः निशीथे पश्यति तावत् तावपि द्वौ पुरुषौ परस्परं मन्त्रयतः.
So then happened, he entered with great difficulty, he found out the home of the Guptadhana and then entered there. Ata asau, this fellow, Bharya Putra Sametena Guptadhanena Nirbharsyamano, he was abused. The stranger entered into the house. The stranger entered into the house and then Bharya Putra Sametena. Bharya, the wife of the Guptadhana, the Putra, the son of the Guptadhana, all Gupta and Guptadhana himself. Putra Sametena Guptadhana. That means the entire family of Guptadhana, Nirbhasyamana, being scolded by the entire family of Guptadhana. Hatat, but this fellow could not go anywhere. So he forcibly, Hatat, Gurham Pravishya, entering in the house, Upavishta, he sat there. Because this fellow had no other go to leave. And the order is from the divine person. Tatasta, thereafter, Bhojana Velayam Tasyapi Bhakti Varjitam, and they were eating. Guptadhana were eating. So at the time of the Bhojana Samaya, like dinner, Velayam Tasyapi, to that fellow, our Somilaka also, Bhakti Varjitam, without any bhakti. Bhakti Varjitam, Bhakti Shunyam, without any respect. Kinchit Ashanam Dattam. So they gave out of fellow, useless fellow, somebody who came is not living our house, something like cursing, they gave some food without any, what you called, bhakti means here, without any respect.
Respect.
Without respect, they gave some food to him because he was lying there. Tataha, thereafter, bhuktva, he ate that. Tatraiva, there only. Yavat suptaha, he slept there only. When he slept, Nishite pashyati, when he slept there, in the midnight he finds Nishite ardharatrav pashyati, tavat, he finds there, tav api, tau api, dvau purusho, again those two fellows appear there. Tau dvau purusho, parasparam mantrayata, they were talking to each other. Can we stop here, Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Shubham.
Thank you so much.
Shubham.